I see you. Yes, you. I see the weight you carry, the silent battles, and the tears you hide. You may feel forgotten, but I've never left your side. I was there in your darkest nights, when your heart was breaking and you felt alone. I heard every prayer, even the ones you whispered in silence. Your pain is not wasted. Your story is not over. You are loved more than you can imagine. So don't give up now. Something beautiful is being written in your life. Trust me. I am with you always. If this message touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope and calm and amen if you believe.